Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. And write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of previous video. How your car can be young as when you bought. The driving bad habits to be eliminated. In signals, we see cars lined up for a race like. When the signal turns from red to green, you see all the cars zoom as if they are racing a car race. They want to be the first to leave the signal. When you do this, there's a lot of damage happens to the clutch plates, to your mileage, your engine, everything. So people are driving actually family car. They should drive like a family car, not as a sports car or a racing car. This habits to be changed. Normally, the life of an engine is minimum of 3 lakhs. But we tend to hear there is issue in the engine, 60, 70,000 kilometers also. This happens only because of your bad driving habits. Same way, the clutch plates needs to be replaced very early. I have heard people replacing for 30,000, 40,000 kilometers also. Normally, the clutch plates can be running if you are driving perfectly, at least 75 to 80,000 kilometers. So, this bad habits to be removed from you in the driving, where your car stays young as what you bought before. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.